Hey friends, I am coming to you today for a very special Think About It Thursday because I just wanted to put some real life products with the best value. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm always looking for the best deal. Like, I purposefully go to Sam's when Pampers are an additional $10 off for buying two. I know the value of Kohl's Cash. I'm a coupon clipper, all of those things. And whether you are a penny pincher or not, I know that smart women love good value. So today I want to show you my favorite $15 bundle, okay? And it is only good for 5 more days. So today's the 10th, 5 more days, it's all it's good for. So the first item, there's 3 in this $15 bundle, is this adorable Get Creative zipper pouch. Okay, so you can see that there's lots of places here. This is great for makeup brushes, coloring. I have a friend who just ordered it for diabetic supplies because there's this clear little pouch where you can put all your test strips, and then there's a big pocket in the back. And then you can zip everything together right here and it all comes together. So this comes in charcoal. This one is navy, it's obviously mine, but this is a $22 item and it's the first of 3 items included in the $15 bundle. So that is the Get Creative zipper pouch. Oh, and there's totally a pocket right here. Okay, so $15 bundle, this is product number 1. Product number 2 is this adorable little fab fob. Isn't this cute? And it comes in this berry color. I have been attaching it to one of my black purses lately. It just gives me a little pop of color, but I really like it because it's flat. It can go in my pocket. It helps me find my keys easier. Usually it has my Y card on there because I'm just like always in a hurry when I'm always in a hurry, but I want to find these. It helps me find it. So a great little fun item as well. So that's number 2. And I think these are $8, right? And then the last one is my favorite, and this is the medium packing cube. Isn't this super fun? So I am constantly amazed at everything I can fit in here. Oh, and this print right here is the one that comes in the $15 bundle. But I love everything that I can fit in here. I'm currently using it for my products. Obviously that's my need, but it would be a great car kit for emergencies in winter. Flashlight, crackers. I can think of all the things that my mom used to pack in my emergency car kit, and this would be a great item for that as well. So these 3 items right here for $15, and it's a $50 value. It's available now through the 15th, so you don't want to miss out on this. And I know you guys want to know how you can get your hands on this deal and what comes with it. So while these products are great, what the best part about it is what you cannot see. And what comes with it is a 40% discount between now and Christmas. Friends, I have gals who are doing this, who are doing it as a secret, and they're becoming a secret consultant just to get all of their Christmas gifts at 40% off. So there it is. There's your Think About It Thursday. The bundle that I am loving, there's 2 to choose from. This is the one that I would pick. 3 items, $15 with a 40% discount. What do you have to lose, right? But really, what's the best thing that could happen? Hope you guys have enjoyed this version of Think About It Thursday. Bye-bye.